Did you know that a recent survey by Rapid API reported that 97% of enterprise leaders agree that APIs are essential for survival? We tend to agree with that here at Chargent, and that's why we recently rebuilt our API from the ground up. Our goal is to ensure that our API can tackle any scenario you throw at it. And in this video, you're going to learn about a few of those use cases. My name's Don, and I'm from Chargent. If you are a Salesforce developer or consultant who is ready to build efficient solutions using our API, you are in the right place. Now, before we delve into these use cases, it's important to know that you can try Chargent for free for 30 days to see how you can leverage our APIs to improve your payment processing. Just click the link in the description below. In this digital era, many businesses operate within a complex ecosystem of interconnected systems and services. The ability to seamlessly integrate these tools is crucial for success. This is where our sophisticated REST API is essential by offering versatile solutions to drive efficiency across your processes. Let's talk use cases. Use case number 1, ERP integration. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, plays a central role for financial management. By leveraging our API to connect your ERP system to payment data in Salesforce, you can synchronize financial data seamlessly. This holistic picture of your business finances pays off in many ways, including greater accounting accuracy, easier automation of reconciliation processes, thorough financial reporting, and improved cash flow forecasting. Use our API to plug payment data into your ERP integration and make informed decisions with confidence. Use case number 2, marketing automation. Your customer payment data is an important window into their buying habits. Without it, your tools for personalized marketing are frankly pretty limited. Driving customer engagement and loyalty is much easier when access to their payment data is part of your toolkit. Use our API to connect payment data to your marketing tools and enable more meaningful customer segmentation and communications. With that improved understanding of your customers, you can offer tailored promotions to high-value buyers, can trigger automated targeted campaigns based on customer behavior, and you can re-engage inactive customers. The sky's the limit in terms of how this plays into your approach to marketing. Before we jump into our last use case, I want to remind you that you can try out Chargent yourself during a free 30-day trial, where you can see for yourself how easy it is to streamline your workflows with our APIs. Get started by clicking the link in the description of this video today. Use case number 3, e-commerce. I talked earlier about the importance of a holistic picture of your business finances. Well, your e-commerce sales are no exception to this rule. Capturing customer purchases outside of your Salesforce org, frankly, is a barrier to your business achieving this goal. It also prevents you from having a 360-degree view of your customers. Our API serves as a bridge between your e-commerce site and the rest of your customer data by enabling you to process payments initiated from your online store in your Salesforce org. That means you have access to real-time payment data that you can leverage in your reporting, projections, marketing initiatives, and so on. You no longer need to spend time and money managing a reconciliation process just to get your eyes on your sales data. It's already in the system. And as an added bonus, our API gives you access to our 30+ payment gateway integrations, as well as the rest of Chargent's top-of-class payment features. These are just a few use cases that our API can solve. If you've embraced automation and are looking for ways to improve payment-related activities at your business, I have a feeling you've got plenty of other use cases in mind, and I'm confident that our robust API is up to the task. My name's Don, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And don't forget to see how you can leverage our APIs during your 30-day free trial with Chargent. For more helpful content, watch this next video right over here. And remember, here at Chargent, we're always here to help.